everybody, it's me, Mojo. In December of 2008, YouTube failed to reach an agreement with the Warner Music Group, WMG. WMG doesn't feel they can make enough monies from the YouTube, so they have taken down everything that has Warner content. That means the video of Jane and Michael's first dance at their wedding is gone because of Peter Cetera, or Carl's 50th birthday surprise video because it has Rascal Flatts. Same goes for Linda's Sweet 16. You won't find it because it has the B-52's Rock Lobster. And little Billy's first roller skating party, not there because of the Bee Gees. Even my own videos, some of the rehabilitation sessions of Mr. Shark, as well as Cooking with Mojo, waffles and ice cream, are gone. No one will know how to make a waffle and ice cream sandwich or how to share. This cannot continue. We have to do something. We have been making videos for a long time, and they shouldn't be able to take them down. All our hard work would be gone then. We are outnumbered by the lawyers, but we have a strength that cannot be measured. This is Mojo. If you are watching this, you are the resistance. Dun, 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 dun.